On to problem 4. This says, write a number bond in each number sentence to show how to make 10. So look at these problems. All of them are already solved, okay? Every single one already has an answer. You don't have to find the answer. What you do need to do is make a number bond from the smaller number or the bigger number, it's up to you, to show how you can break apart to make 10. So for problem 1, you've got to decide, okay, if I want to use 9 to make 10, how can I break apart my 5 to show what I would need to make 10 and what's left over? You should have a number bond coming off of one of your numbers showing a number that the first number needs to make 10 and what's left over. And remember, your parts must add up to what that total is above your number bond. So if your total is 4, you can't have parts that are 3 and 3 because that doesn't make 4. Both parts must make the total. All right, so use your number bond underneath the smaller number to show me how you can make 10.